In the Wanli period of the Ming Dynasty, early settlers of Rongshanliao arrived by sea, building shelters on the tidal flights along Haikou's west coast and making it their home. Over 400 years of fishing culture has taken root here. Old volcanic stone houses stand weathered yet timeless, while narrow fishing lanes wind through everyday life, carrying the spirit and heritage of this fishing village. This authentic coastal village holds a unique charm. It is a living museum of Hainan's maritime culture, where its century-old character remains intact, and the fishing port, boats, and fish markets still follow their traditional rhythm. It is also known for its stunning sunsets on the west coast. At dusk, golden light spills across the sea as fishermen sing on their way home, a poetic scene that lasts through all seasons. The vibrant tradition of Rongshanliao is the beach fish auction. Fishermen work with the tides, and their catches auction on the sand. Amid the lively crowds, your coastal life comes alive. Today, the ancient village is being revitalized. Homestays, bookstores, cafés, and restaurants are taking shape, while water sports like paddleboarding and sailing bring energy to the coast. Fishing season. And sunset concerts breathe new life into local traditions. The Rongshanliao Fisheries Tourism Integration Model for Rural Revitalization has been featured twice as a case study at the UN Climate Change Conference, showcasing its ecology and culture to the world. Rongshanliao offers both tranquility and modern access. Close to Haikou railway station and Xinhai harbor, it remains well connected, yet gently apart from the city. Here is a living fishing heritage that preserves a sense of nostalgia, and a hotspot for cultural and tourism investment, reaching opportunities. We firmly welcome visitors worldwide to embrace this coastal village and a shared future.